wave them high. Red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and...
Hi everyone, welcome to Red Elephant Art Club. I'm happy you're here. We have a very fun project today, and I have a visitor that's going to help me today, Miss Lily. She's going to say hi.
Hi guys.
Anyway, we have some fun things we're going to do today, and I'll be right back. I'm going to gather my supplies up, and I'll show you what you're going to need. Hi guys. Hey, listen, I had a little trouble with our video. We have done it 2 times now, Lily and I have, and each time in the middle of it, it goes to slow-mo. So we don't want to really do the whole video all over again third time. So we're going to just fill in. So if you see kind of like it seems awkward or something, that's what happened. Anyway, so I'm going to try to fill in some of the spaces, what I know is missing from the film. So I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to do shorter clips so that hopefully it doesn't mess up again. All right, I'll see you back in a minute. Okay, so the things you're going to need, each one of the children are going to need a piece of blue construction paper. I would prefer you using the brighter blue than the lighter blue, I think, because it's supposed to be like at nighttime. You should find this piece of paper in your paperwork so you can kind of get a good idea of what we're going to do today. And you're going to need some light and dark green acrylic paint, okay? And then I sent everybody one of these puffy paints, and the white one. And you're going to need another color of paint. I decided to use the bright pink puffy paint. I'm not sure if you have this, but any other kind of bright paint. Some paint brushes and water, and make sure all the kids have their smocks on. Okay? And I will be right back. All right, everyone. We are traveling to Ireland today. So get the passports out. I hope that you found them by now. And get those passports stamped. Get your globe out. Have all the children find Ireland. And Lily's had to find it 3 times now. So she gets to do it again. She knows exactly where Ireland is. But Lily, will you show everybody where Ireland is?
Right there.
Right there. It's an island, isn't it? Right. And I got to go there one time. And we flew, of course, we live over here in the United States, and we flew all the way from United States over to Ireland. And it's been one of my very favorite countries to visit. Okay, we're going to get started. One thing I did forget to tell you, because I've done this so many times, is that you need some plastic forks, okay? But anyway, the very first thing we're going to do is make the heels, okay? So just have the kids click here, get some paint on their brush, and then you start kind of up here halfway to the top, and you go down to make a heel, and then up, and then down, and then up. All right. And then they can just fill it in with paint. Okay, just like that. And just have them paint the whole thing. And I will, this paint's kind of yucky. Anyway, I will be right back. When I finish this, I'll show you what I've done. Now, okay, Lily got me some green, darker green. I'm going to take my fork, plastic fork, and stick it on here like this. And then I'm just going to put it down here like this, just to make it look like some grass. Like this, and they can just cover it like this in just random places. Okay, there's my grass. You can kind of have them cross it like this. So then the next step is to have them have their oil pastel. Notice I made a little bit of a mistake over here. The paint kind of splattered, but we're going to fix that right now. So anyway, have them have their oil pastel, and we're going to make like an oval right there, right here on top of that, and then right here, like that. And then they can fill it in. Just color it all black. Okay, and just have them do the same thing with this one here. All right, and then this one. And then we're going to put the ears on. This is the sheep's head. Now, just have them put it like this, like a little teardrop. These are the ears. They go along the side of the top of their head, and then just have them fill it up, fill it in. I'll be right back to show you. Now you have them all filled in, and then the next thing to do is make like a cloud around them. This is their big puffy wool. It's like a big cloud. Just like that, see? Just go around it. Whoops. Make sure the kids are wearing smocks because this paint will stain. All right, have them do that. I'll be right back. The next step is to get the white puffy paint, and then you just kind of fill it in. And this kind of goes like in swirls, like this. Like, just have them swirl it like wool. All right, just swirl it around, have them swirl it around like that. Have them fill it in, just like that, all the way around on each one of them. Okay. If you have some googly eyes, you could give them that, but I'm just going to put little eyes like that on. Okay, I'll be right back. So I just wanted to make sure you tell the kids, do not have the kids touch their paper with the little nozzle here. They have it lifted up just a little bit as they swirl it around, okay? So anyway, that's the sheep. And then you can have them, see, it looked better with darker paper. All right, so this is the other one I did. All right, so it looks better with the darker paper. All right, and then you just have them put some stars on, like that. Just a little dots, not too many, just a few. And then the last step is to add the flowers. And then how you do that, of course, again, don't have them touch the nozzle to the paint. You raise it up just a little bit, you squirt down some, and then you drag it down. You make a little dot with it, and then you kind of drag it down to that point. Put a dot, and then have them drag it down. Okay, and you can just fill up the hole, put flowers anywhere you want on your artwork. Okay, guys, I think I'm done doing this. Should look like this when you're done, and let it dry. All right, guys, so thanks so much for your patience with this, and I hope you guys had a good time. Okay, bye-bye. I'm just going to explain how to do the flowers because she had a little trouble at first. Okay.
Okay, so first you're going to do dot and then let go and then go down. Like.
Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to give us a like, subscribe, and make a comment down below. Okay, see you next time. Bye-bye.